Hi, I am Mamta from bodhisutra.com. Today we will talk about wishes about the past. Now, we can use the word wish, W-I-S-H, wish, with the past perfect to talk about regrets from the past. Okay, these are things that have already happened, but we wish they had happened in a different way. Now, this use of wish is very similar to using it in the third condition, okay, as in the past condition. I'll explain this with a few examples. Let's say, I wish that I had studied harder at school. Now, what does this sentence indicate? Or what do we understand from this sentence? What it means is, I didn't study hard at school and now I am sorry about it. Okay? Maybe if I had studied harder, the situation currently would have been different for me. So, to express such a view, we could say, I wish that I had studied harder at school. Okay? Another example we could take is, I wish that I hadn't eaten so much yesterday. Now, what are we trying to say? We're trying to say that I did eat a lot yesterday, and now, today, I feel that it was not such a bright idea. I should have eaten less, right? So, to express this kind of a view, we would say, I wish I hadn't eaten so much yesterday. Okay, let's take another example. I wish that the train had been on time, right? Now, what this means is, unfortunately, the train was late, so something wrong happened. Maybe I missed an interview, I missed another train, or something like that. So, I wish the train had been on time. Okay. Now, this form is used when right now you're thinking about or you're wishing that something in the past happened differently. Okay. Now, we have to remember that you're thinking about past, right? So, that thing in past cannot be changed, right? We cannot go back in time and change anything. So, it is more of a regret, okay, or like a dream that you're talking of. You're not talking of something that you can actually do, right? You can only think of it because whatever you're thinking of has already happened and we cannot change something that has already happened in past. So when you use the phrase I wish, what you're really doing is you're thinking about something that happened some time ago and it cannot be changed, but you wanted it to happen differently. Okay? You can use wish, I wish in other ways also. I'll give you more examples. I wish I had gone to Australia last year. Right? Now, here you regret you didn't go to Australia last year. Okay? Or you could say, Jay wishes he had worked harder. No. He wishes that if he had worked harder, maybe he would have got a promotion or he would have ended up with a better job or something like that. Okay? Another example, another usage could be the students wish their teacher hadn't given them homework. Now, the students are feeling bad that the teacher gave them homework, so they want that maybe if the teacher hadn't given them homework, they could have had fun, they could have enjoyed or whatever. But the fact is that they did get a homework. They cannot change that fact. They can only wish, they can only dream that they didn't get homework. Okay? Another example could be, I wish I had never told him my secret. Okay, now here you're regretting, you're sorry that you have told him your secret, right? Or another example could be, I wish he hadn't spent so much money last night. Now, he is regretting. He spent a lot of money, but he is regretting it now and he feels that he should not have spent so much money yesterday. Okay, so that's how we wish. We use the phrase I wish to discuss about past actions, okay, or past happenings. I hope you have understood how to use past wishes. Okay. Thanks for listening to me at bodhisutra.com. I'll get back to you with more new lessons. Till that time, keep on practicing. Have a great day. Bye bye.